What is up, guys? It is RubyTunes here, back in another video, and today I'm not actually playing Fortnite. I am doing a tutorial on how to make a profile picture like this and this. So make sure you guys watch to the end, and yeah, let's get ready to do this. So first thing you want to do is going into your Google Play or App Store. I'm pretty sure it's available on Apple and Android, so once you're done with that, you want to search up Pixel Lab, and it should pop up this app, and you want to download that. Once you download that, you're going to press open, and you should be led to here. Once you are here, you'll see that you can now create like a text and background, but you should realize that it looks nothing like the other ones that I made. So how to make it look like that or look cool and stuff, you want to either delete this text. I just delete the text and then make a new one. I don't know why I do that, I just do. Don't judge me. Alright, I make a new text, and then I can tilt it, but I'll save the tilting for later. So, and then I'm gonna put I'll put that just my normal YouTube channel name, so RubyTunes. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to go over to the bottom right, and you should see this letter A. You want to click on that, and it should lead you up to here on the side of your screen. Now, I usually go to like the fonts first, and I really like this font right here. So now we got this. It still doesn't look like mine, does it? No, it doesn't. So usually I like to get a stroke as well. So what I like to do is usually I just make it small. I don't know what, like sometimes when I like do stroke, so let's go to stroke if I even can. Stroke, if I go to stroke and do this, if the letters are like big, then it'll just like make it in like two different paragraphs and stuff, and yeah, so I don't do that. I make it small and then I make it bigger. So once I'm done with that, I go to 3D text, and then I press enable, and then it should make the text 3D. Still doesn't look like mine. So what I do is I go to like X rotation. So, well, I don't really mess with that too much. I mean, maybe just like a little bit, you know. And then I can do this, and then the shadow. The shadow, I really like the shadow a lot. I think it's really good. What am I doing? I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the shadow. Enable that. You should get this shadow. I like doing outer glow. I think it makes it cool. And then I do blue. Where's my rotation? Now you can go to 3D text and just like, you know, change the rotation and stuff. And so I'm gonna go back to shadow just in case if I ever miss anything. Sure looks good, but I do a blur radius like around 20 or something, like 22 or something. Once I'm done with that, sometimes I do reflections, sometimes I don't. I don't know. It's up to you. I don't do it that much. Only like in like thumbnails and stuff. But I can go to color, and I can go to like a nice red, and there you go, there's a red. Now text. What I want to do is go to stroke, and I want to change the color to like blue, and then there you go. Here you have it. Now the background is like the only bad thing. I need that. Now the background is the only bad part about it. And maybe some of you might be confused. So what you're gonna do is go to that plus sign, and then you want to go press from gallery. It should lead to your photos, and then you could select any photo. You could even download one from Google and stuff, I don't know. And then you could select it. I'm selecting just plain black. And then I press this check mark. Alright, and you want to go to this icon right by the letter. And you should see, like, it says like to front, to back. You want to press to back, and you want to click on the image first, and then you can just make it bigger. Oh my gosh, this is weird. And then you can just move the text wherever you want to, do whatever you want to with it. And then that's how you make a 3D text. I really like this. You can make it yourself with YouTube logo. Just do whatever you want, and there's much more like font you can do. You don't have to do mine, but I think this is really cool. And once you're done with that, once it looks good and all, then you can click the button by the plus sign, and it should pop up like save as image or save as project. You want to save that as an image. Once you say, you press, it should lead you to this screen, and then you want to press save to gallery. It should say your image has been saved, so, and then you're good to go, and you can go on YouTube, change your profile picture, and yeah, I will get you guys later, so see ya, bye.